Hi, let's learn an interesting idiomatic expression together, a double-edged sword. What do you call a situation if it comes with both advantages and disadvantages? Think about tourism. Is it good or bad? On the one hand, it can bring handsome money to boost the economy. On the other hand, it can cause damages to the environment. Think about technological advancements. Is it positive or negative? On the one side, it can bring comfort and luxury. On the other side, it can put our health in danger. As you can see, tourism and technological advancements are examples of a situation that has both merits and demerits. In English, we can label these situations double-edged swords. So, a double-edged sword is a situation or a thing that has both pros and cons. Now, can you think of more situations like this? Thanks for watching this video. Please keep in mind to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.